All right, so today we're going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10. So what you want to do is it's pretty much the same. I'm using Windows 11; it's the same thing. So sometimes, especially if you have laptop, you just click on here. You're going to see a Bluetooth icon here. But since we don't have that, the other way is click on the Start menu and then go to the Settings. So now in Settings, all you need to do is there are two ways. One is just go to Bluetooth and setting and devices. And normally, especially for a laptop or PC, you do a couple more steps. There is going to be an option here to turn on Bluetooth, but if you don't, uh, you need to click on devices here and add device, and you need to select Bluetooth. But as you can see, I need to update it. So once I've updated this Windows device, I can turn on Bluetooth. And one thing that you need to make sure to do this is you go to back to start and type in CMD and then press enter. And then type GP update your policy right now. So wait for that to update, right? As you can see, it is updated successfully. So close that. All right. And next you need to go to services. So search services and click on this with the cogwheels. And what you want to do is look for Bluetooth, right? So this one, as you can see, they're both running. What you want to do is right click on them and click on properties and make it automatic. See, as I already put automatic here, because it's by default on manual. So you need to do that on both of these, and then just restart, your Bluetooth, and it should work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you in the next one.